Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S40, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you will want to hold the power key and then select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. Oops, I did let go of the volume up by mistake, but it didn't affect it in any way. So anyway, from here, when you see the boot mode right here, you want to let go of those keys that you're holding, and then using only volume up to navigate, select the first option, assuming it is not already selected, and then once it is, confirm it with volume down. So this will take you to the recovery mode, and in this mode you can use both of the volume keys now, navigate up and down, and the power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected instead. So in here, obviously we will scroll down in order to select wipe cache partition, confirm it with power key, select yes. You should see cache wipe complete as the last entry at the bottom, at which point reboot system now will also be selected by default. So press power key once again to initiate the reboot and go back to Android. As you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.